2014 Chevy Camaro RS V6. Still got your factory converters there. And there that comes with 4. Then a factory H pipe. Then we took 2 resonators off over there. Well, actually right there. Then continued with 2 1/4 pipe and took 2 mufflers off there and there, as you guys can see, right there, right there. And then we put some 4-inch blue flame tips right there and right there. That's how you guys do a muffler and resonator delete on this beautiful Camaro. There it is, RS. And there's the 2 mufflers we cut off. We don't like mufflers here. And they were Chevy performance mufflers. See? But they didn't sound too good. So this will sound a lot better. Let you guys hear it in a second. 2015 Chevy Camaro, 6.2 liter beast, V8. Let you guys show you what we did. He's getting long tube BBK headers. He's gonna put on it some high flow cats, but right now it's got stock manifolds, 4 converters. It's a California car. Then they deleted the resonator somewhere else and put an H pipe in the center. Then it's 2 1/4 all the way back. And we continued that 2 1/4 and did a muffler delete there and there into 4-inch quad tips there and there. What do you guys think? I like it. It's clean. Came out really nice, really clean. Just smooth all the way around. There it is. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Not bad. Sound decibels, go ahead. 1, dude, the sound decibels is 120. Wow. Huh? Yeah, dude, it is. The tailpipes are in there. We're gonna do a straight, put a new Y pipe in instead of the muffler, and 2 new tips, the 5-inch. Those tips look really good on this car. Let you guys hear on the... Much better. Does it have a sport mode or anything like that? Sound decibels? Go ahead. There we go. 111, bro. That sounds sick. Go ahead and back it up. And it's a 6-speed, right? Oh. I love that idle. There's the 2 mufflers we cut off of it right there. Because you know what? We hate mufflers here. Oh, that sounds so good. Yeah. Let us know what you guys think. You can beat that sound. Let you guys hear all Camaro RS 2014. Still here. Oh, that's awesome. Just 1 second.